Hello everyone, this is Mark Peak at Keller Williams Real Estate, your short sale specialist, and I want to talk today about postponing foreclosure sale dates. If you received a foreclosure sale date, oftentimes I will tell people who are interested in doing a short sale not to delay very long. The longer we delay, the shorter fuse we have, the more stressful it gets, and also the more likely that we're going to be dealt some surprises. So when it comes to a foreclosure sale date and you get that notice on your door that the house is going to be sold and auctioned off, and it's also being published in the paper, it's important to act on that quickly. If you have a foreclosure sale date notice, or if the bank has told you that they intend to foreclose by a certain date, it's pretty important that you get started right away. What I like to tell folks is if we basically need to start a minimum of 30 days before your foreclosure sale date. And what I mean by that is have a full package into me, get your property on the market and start and trying to obtain offers. Because most of the time, the banks that most of the large servicer out there, your Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, they're going, depending on who the investor is, they have certain guidelines they need to follow. And, right now, the big push is to make sure that you have a complete package, meaning we have an accepted offer, plus all your financials and the rest of the short sale package submitted to the lender within 17 days of that foreclosure sale date. Now, if you're starting this 3 weeks before, that's 4 days in order to get everything in and submitted, and that's not quite enough time. That's why I recommend at least 30 days minimum, and the more time we have, the less stressful it is on you and myself in order to get your foreclosure sale date postponed. So the question is, will they postpone them? Yes, they will, if you meet their qualifications and guidelines. So if you're in the situation where you've missed payments and kind of held off for many, kind of almost ignored your lender for a long period of time, they may not be willing to work with you if 2 years later down the line they're ready to foreclose, and then you make the decision that you want to work something out. Well, that's why it's important to make sure you start the process sooner, because certain investors, and possibly Fannie and Freddie, if you've gone too far being delinquent, then they're not necessarily, it's not a high chance that they're going to work with you in postponing the sale date if you haven't made an attempt to work with them on a reasonable workout solution. So again, foreclosure sale dates can be postponed, very successful doing so, but it depends on your specific situation. How delinquent are you? What have you done anything else? Have you attempted a loan modification? Have you accepted one? Maybe your interest rate increased and you decided this is not the right decision for you in keeping the house. Give me a call and we can go over your situation and make sure that it is the least stressful way and you get your short sale completed and closed. Mark Peak with Keller Williams. Thank you.